trade another day.
And you know what? If it doesn't happen, and for some reason the charts change,
Little trade another day.
and tomorrow I'm the biggest bear out there, so be it.
You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Is it the bottom yet? I'm tryna buy out everything. Not gon' get upset. Just pull the trigger, let it bang. When I see a trade, I'm hopping in like a Uber to secure my future. Up early just like a rooster. Eyes glued to the computer, looking for a bag or two. Market cipher on the screen, compliments of trading view. Now I know what I'ma do. Buy low and sell high. Even if you try and fail, at least you didn't fail to try. I don't wanna be the type of guy that let fear win. I'm the one that dive in head first and bust my chin. I know FOMO is a no-no, but I still get it in. Now I can't predict the future, but I know I'm bound to win. Later or sooner, I'll be the big kahuna. Cause I got big kahunas. I was not scared to get money, I took me some chances and now I'm the big kahuna. And if you scared, might as well get neuter. I'ma keep chasing my dreams. Wake up and mansion so big, I need a segue to get from wing to wing.
Welcome. Scared money don't make no money. All right. Looks like something's fading out back there. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the 11:30 live stream. Sorry we were a little late. We had to get the coffee brewing. Get a little bit more coffee. We jumped in the cold pool. Got a little workout in. So welcome guys. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Shout out to the Dano Crypto Dojo community. The Discord has been popping off. The Discord has been actually getting a lot more traction. We have over 50 members now in the Discord, and we have people chatting amongst themselves. Feel free to go into the Hangout and chat, post some memes, post your best trade screenshots. I would love to see some of your gains that you've been making. And maybe if you have some trade setups that you want to show yourself. And then also we have a new section called the Shill Zone, where if you want to shill a coin, but the thing is it has to be over 10 million market cap. So then we can check it out. We can see if it's worth looking at. And I think it'd be a fun section to maybe discover some new things. Because, hey, we're all doing the research here. Maybe I missed something, you missed something, and we can get it here. So thank you guys for getting the channel to over 2,000 subscribers. So we have officially marked over 2,000 subscribers. And so that's a pretty major milestone in any kind of crypto channel. You just sometimes hit that wall, and a lot of the times it takes, takes the community to help do some extra PR and sharing it on their Twitter pages and all that stuff, Twitter X. But yeah, we're going to get into the volatility here because we actually did exactly as predicted, guys. We did exactly as predicted. We basically went all the way to this price level, this 68.3. This is exactly where we were expecting the price to dip down if we were going to get rejected, if we were going to start passing this price level here at 68 and also at 69.1. We basically did not hold that, and we hit resistance. And then now we gain support at 68,400. So, and then the altcoins obviously ensued with reacting pretty dramatically with this move. So if we want to look at the altcoins, you can go to danielcurtisuse.com and you can go to Crypto Bubbles here, and you can also get the halving dates here for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, BTG, Ethereum Classic, Dash, Flux, and all of these other Ravencoin. I didn't realize that Ravencoin actually had a halving date. So, and then obviously we have Litecoin. Litecoin's having already passed, which was last year. Or was it the year before? But yeah, so let's see the altcoins on the daily. See, we got the only things that are in the green is CKB. We got Pendle, ENA, Ordi, Beam. And then let's see what's up on the weekly here. Okay. But then if we look at the daily, let's look at actually like the top 300. All right. A lot of things in the red, but we have Magic is up 7.9%. So let's get my head out of the way. Magic up 7%. What else do we have here? If we go into the top 400, starts getting into things. Okay, we see an Orca in here. Orca's down a little bit. All right, now let's get into the 5-minute. Top 300. Trump, ABT, some baby Doge. These are just, 0.9%, 0.1%. Now the top 100 to 200. Pixel, Hex, MX, Mexi token. And then let's see what the top 1 to 100. Go back here. Phantom was doing really well on the daily and on the weekly, seeing a nice pump in the past few days. But shout out to you guys for popping in the live stream. I do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we are doing a second giveaway for the BitFlex T-shirt. We have these amazing BitFlex T-shirts that no one wanted to claim for winning the previous contest. So let's do this right this time, guys. So all you got to do is you click this link right here, and you can sign up for BitFlex, and then you just have to make a deposit and make a trade. I will get your sign up. I will know that you signed up and did this, and then what you will get entered into this contest to win a T-shirt. So we're going to run it to the end of the month, and let's see what happens, guys. And then you got to remember to do your flex points, and so you can actually get flex points by making a trade and also just checking in using your using the flex points. You just check in. All right, so let's actually, speaking of check in, let's check in on the trades. Let's check in on the trades because we were massively in the red. We were about to close the trades, but then we thought, no, maybe we can actually get some more money in these trades because we do see a reversal bounce on Bitcoin. We saw that we actually got a pretty decent bounce off of that level, the $68,000 level. And so we were looking at this right here. We were like, look, if we go past 67, we might break down a little bit more, but then we're going to get support off of there because this is where we were drawing it from the bottom of the flag breakout from the previous pennant right here. So previous pennant breakout, and then you can see that we had that massive breakout to the upside here, and then this was the projection of the pennant. And I guess this is Da Vinci this morning on the Moon Show kind of mentioned like, look, these markets will set up a pennant for us to think that it will break and break to the upside, which this one looks surely that it was going to break to the upside, speaking on this pattern right here. And then sure enough, we dropped off the trend line, and now we're just going to try and get back to the trend line and get back to the bottom sustainable price for the bottom of the flag, which would then bring us to a price right here, coming back into a price range of consolidation of 70K. And that's where I see in the immediate short term, we could be trading back up into this pattern to test back into the trend line. But we have to see volume. Yes, the markets reacted to all the data, CPI data and all this stuff. Yes, you go into the news, you got CPI expectations heat up ahead of tomorrow's report. Grayscale shifts 442 million into BTC to Coinbase. IRS intensifies crypto scrutiny. You know, this is all FUD news to basically scare you out of the market so they can have your crypto. And then what they do is they reverse it and then they get more. So this is what's I think is happening right now. If you want to think of market manipulation, this is the only way that they can manipulate the market, is to get you to sell your crypto, go back into fiat and get destroyed on fiat just as bad as if you were to hold crypto, which we all know, like if you were to have held Bitcoin through the past 3 years, it'd be up 250%. Maybe more, I think, if it's 3 years. Yeah, no, the past 3 years, it'd be like 175 to 200%. But, all right, guys, the chat is a little lonely. I haven't seen a single chat pop up. Let's see how many people we got watching across all platforms. Bit of a slow day. We got 4 people watching on YouTube. We got 1 person. Whoa, yo, what's going on? Shout out to Wile E. Coyote. What's going on? So we're gonna get some jams pumping here. We're gonna get some jams pumping. Hope everyone is feeling well on this Wednesday. Make sure you smash the likes. That gets more people in the stream. And if you want to know where the link is for that BitFlex, just enjoying the rodeo in crypto today. Oh yeah, you know it's going to be a rodeo. 100% it's a rodeo. Crypto is the rodeo, but we're ready to get on that rodeo. We're ready to jump on the bull because we are in a bull market. Even though we have this, you know, this price consolidation and stuff like that, I really think, you know, we're due for a breakout. I'm with Da Vinci. Like Da Vinci's super bullish. We're due for that breakout. If we didn't break down any, because if we were gonna break down more, we would have broken down to this level here, to 66, which was the bottom of the flagpole here. And so that measurement, you know, that's a good measurement here to speculate of where we would be moving now back to the upside, which is 70K to 70, 71K. And that's just putting us back into the trend. So if you're thinking short term, yes, we have to see what these candles are doing. I like looking at the 30-minute. The 30-minute and the 45-minute. And see, look, we're already printing a green candle on the 45-minute. We have some bullish divergence coming up in the chart. Selling got exhausted, so now the bulls are kind of taking control, it looks like, if you're looking at the charts on the MACD. I guess, you know, what I've learned on the MACD is when these start to fade out here, we get more buy pressure. Exhausting selling, shortens, and then we can get an extension of green and play out getting at least back to 70K in the short term, which would be at the top of this band right here, pretty close to the top of the band right here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see. Did we get more people in the live stream? Yes, we got more people in. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get people in. Got Dano on the cell phone, Lifer on the house TV, Casper on the iPad. Dude, you got the trio right there. That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, the fact that I'm in that list of people that you're watching, that's a huge honor. So maybe you should tell him that, and we'll all do a stream together. Crypto Lifer, Sam Price, he's been clowning on me every time I say, hey, we need to do a stream together. He's like, no, we don't. He's like, no, we don't. But he works hard. He streams all the time. He streams like 2 or 3 times a day. We've been consistent now. We've been consistent. We've been streaming 2 times a day, 11:30 and 8 p.m. between. Sometimes it just depends on how the night is going. We try and stream between 8 o'clock and 9. We try and do it from 8 to 9 p.m. because the market gets a little spicy. It just really starts to get spicy. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, yeah. There's certain language that I do have to I have to use, and a lot of the times it's hard to it's hard to. I don't want to say it's hard. I'm working on getting those programs that are running in my head still. That is the limiting language of the English language. The English language will program you into saying things that make you not like go. So then you have to think about the words that actually are going to get you what you want, but without force, with natural energy. So what would the word be? Say, Sam Price, I would like for me and you to stream together. Or, this is one, is there a chance? Is there a chance we could stream together in the future? It's like I'm asking about on a date. Is there a chance we could stream together, Sam? He's funny, though. He cracks me up. Jason Casper cracks me up. If you make me laugh and you're providing good content, then yes, I support you 100%. That's it. Crypto Face, he's always making me laugh. All right, so let's see if ICP, where we're looking at ICP is in this. There's pennants everywhere. There's all these pennants. You can see these pennant flags, and it looks like we could be, if we break the pennant on this one, then ICP could be looking at $21. That would be a nice level to hit, but then the obvious level would be to try and get that $19 right there first. See if we can get supported, and then that would be a nice break to the upside. But that with ICP would be a good 34% move. So, but then we got to see what happens with Bitcoin. We have to see what happens with Bitcoin. So ETH had a pretty nasty drop as well from its high right here. We tried to push up to 3.7. We tried to break that level here, and we couldn't do it, and we got rejected. What's going on, Clean Living? Are you living clean? Are you living dirty with the volatility right now? Clean Living. You can see here, look, we're just going to trade back up into 69,700. This is a really nice level that we can hit here. What we did is we took some profits on this one. We should have taken a lot more profits when we were a little bit topped up on this part of the market here. You can see we had a really, really nice level up here to take profits. And this, we were about a 250% in profit, and then when we actually took the profit, we were down here a little bit. Entered in back with not as much as we would want to, but we at least increased the margin to be able to catch the run, because we know we're gonna break up to this 73K. You still have to be bullish in a bull market. Don't start getting too bearish so quick just because we just fell off the trend line a little bit. It was just a liquidity grab at the last pennant. That's how I'm looking at it. The liquidity grab at the last pennant, and then we're going to just start going back. And we're just going to keep surprising everyone going into the halving, especially because the halving is, I smashed some take profit on my farm tokens. All right, so farm token. So is this an actual token farm? Or just farm tokens like your farming tokens? Either it's the token farm itself. Well, let's see what this is. Is this the farm you're talking about? This looks like it. Yeah, it's on Binance. This is the Binance chart, and let's see on the 4 hour. Is this a new-ish token, or let's see. How old is this thing? Oh, this is in 2021. Okay. So this thing's trying to push up and try and test these. Oh, okay. All right. Let me check this out. Yeah. Farm. How did I miss this one? How did I miss this one? This is why I love crypto. I love being in the community. I love having you guys on the live stream because I find these new coins that you guys are also in. I've been looking at Toncoin, and Toncoin is about to take over. I'm about to just put some money into Toncoin. We said it on the live stream. We're going to put some spot, and we're going to put in some leverage trades on low leverage, probably like 5x on Ton, and then just start riding this thing up because Ton might end up being in the top 5 and surprise everyone and surprise literally everyone. We crush this level right here. We're going. All right, so let's see. I want to check this farm. Okay, it's not on. Okay, it's probably spot. Let's check spot. Let's check spot. Okay, yep. All right, so we got farms. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, of course. Or no, is this not it? Is this it? 110, and then what was the chart we were just looking at? Was 19? Okay, yeah. Interesting. And then what was the all-time high on this thing? What was the all-time high on farm? Oh, and this thing, shadow token. They're doing some things on Solana. We had some news on it. Well, let's look. I want to look at farm. Let's look at farm. I need my glasses. Harvest Fine. Oh, Harvest Finance. Yes, okay. I was like, what is the name of this thing? Yes, I do remember Harvest Finance. Man, yeah, okay. So the volume, yeah, the volume is spiking. Nice. Let's see what else. Okay, it's on Binance. Let's see the DEX Binance volume because I might just start getting into it just with a swap pair. I know I've been wanting to enter into Ton because it's been legging up a lot. It's been legging up a lot. So that's what's been making me a little hesitant to get into Ton. But crypto will surprise you. You just think like, oh, it's gonna stop, it's gonna retrace, and then it just keeps going, and then it just keeps going. You're like, crap, just wait. You're like, wait. You're like, slow down. That's how Caspa was. Caspa, it just kept legging up, and people were like, should I get into Caspa or should I wait until it draws down a little bit, and then it just keeps legging up. So it's interesting how that happens, but yeah, okay. This is looking good. Yeah, farm. Okay. The volume on the... Okay, so that's the volume is good. Maybe we just pick one farm token, What was the all-time high? The all-time high was $2,236. And is that because does it have like a super low supply? Yeah, so the supply is only 705,000 farm tokens. Puff. I'm just, man, with these Solana coins, it's like, it's so scary because there's been instances where people aren't able to take their profits on these Solana coins. Yeah. All right, so let's look. Solana dipped hard. Solana's down out of everything 11% just because of that congestion, the bearish news on it. Dogecoin and Ton. But look, see, Toncoin up 36%. Toncoin 684. SHIB. I think SHIB is gonna do really well. We've been just trying to get more chain link because it's under $19. It's under $18 chain link. So yeah, Sol is definitely a DCA for sure. Yeah, Wile E. Coyote saying Sol is a DCA. Yeah, if you've been wanting to acquire Sol, now is probably a good time. Obviously not financial advice, but you know, if with things are dipping, when things are down 11%, there you go. There's your opportunity, because Sol, if you were to remember when it was going, if you look at Solana and look at how it was fluctuating between these prices in the past month, look, it skyrocketed to 206 and then retraced all the way to 170, and then it went to 191, and then all the way back down to 173, then back to 191, and then went back over 200, and now we've just been consolidating down from that double top where we tried to test that level again, and now we're at 168. So this is your price zone. This is your price accumulation zone on Solana for sure. You know, Solana long term, I think will be worth $500, maybe even $1,000 per Solana. So, and then Dogecoin, even Dogecoin below 20 cents right now is a good buy, because we're looking at testing some levels. We're looking at testing these levels here. Let's go into Doge on the trading view chart. Doge is just on a steady uptrend to start testing that 22 cents. So look, it's had a double top here, and then boom, went down to test the trend line again. And then now we're going to get support off of 20 cents and then start crushing up to 23 cents here. And then if we can push that volume, look at where the RSI is too. And this is on the 4 hour. And then you can see and compare that to the last time we had a major break and where the RSI was. It's on the same spot right here at this pinch. And so we get a second pinch right here. We're going to be moving up to, let's see what that leg up was. You know, this leg up was a good move. So let's see if we can get that similar move on Doge, which would push us to 29 cents. And that's a good level to watch for Dogecoin. Oh yeah, because the 420 date, it's the 420 date. It's the memeable date for Dogecoin and also for the halving. Remember, go to my website, danielcurtishughes.com, and you can actually see the halving date. It's at exactly 9 days and 11 hours. And then we're going to look into Ravencoin. Let's look into Ravencoin. Let's see what's going on with Ravencoin. Because I remember seeing Ravencoin a long time ago on the Trust wallet. So Ravencoin is similar to Bitcoin, has a halving block rewards every 2,001,000 blocks. Ravencoin's halving will continue to happen every 2,001,000 blocks, 100,000 blocks. All right, inflation. So maybe Ravencoin would be something good long-term to hold for just the fact that it is deflationary. Let's check Ravencoin. If you guys ever invested into Ravencoin before? I remember just seeing it on my Trust wallet as being one of the first digital wallets I downloaded. At an all-time high of 23 cents. Sitting at 3 cents right now. So yeah, Ravencoin could be something. Yeah, all-time high was 28 cents. All-time low was at 0.008. It's trading on Binance. The most volume is on Binance. You got OKX, LBANK. You can do perpetuals on Binance, LBANK, Bybit. Yeah, all right. Let's check the Ravencoin chart. I like the name of it too, Ravencoin. Ooh, and it's looking juicy too. This thing's looking juicy. Yeah, I've been interested in starting to. I want to start mining things that aren't Bitcoin, that are a little earlier. So it would be like the equivalent of mining Bitcoin back when it was like, you know, between 10 and $100, because then you yourself, as just a sole person with your power and what you can, what kind of hash rate you can do, you can probably make some decent money, you know, especially if you have a good setup. So. But yeah, this is looking, Ravencoin's actually looking really bullish. I like the chart. Yeah, it's so hard because once you figure in all the costs, then you have to see, is it actually profitable? It's like if you were to just take all the money that you put into mining and then just actually invest into freaking meme coins, you know, you might end up making triple, quadruple the money. But it's fun to maybe do it as an experiment and to test. And I think that's what a lot of people probably started doing back in the day. They started testing that capability of seeing what they could mine. I remember, I'll tell you guys a story. This is a good story because essentially what, you know, there was years back, it was about 7 years ago, I was on tour, and it was we were on a date in Indianapolis. We went to this guy's house, our buddy's house, and our friend who we were visiting, he lived in this guy's house, which was one of his friends, a giant house, and this dude was mining Bitcoin. This guy was mining Bitcoin. It was the first time I was, I knew of Bitcoin, but I was like, okay, mining Bitcoin? Like, so you're actually like, you have your computer set in, and so instead of like being more interested in the Bitcoin mining and learning about it, I was too busy trying to like flirt with this girl, you know. And this was actually way longer than 7 years ago if I think about it, because I've been with my wife for 7 years. So this was like 8-9 years ago. So 8-9 years ago, like, it's just so crazy. So I think about like those times when you get like a little golden nugget from the universe to be like, hey, like, here, this is something that you should probably pay attention to, and don't worry about girls or women. Like, you need to get your money up. So it's just so funny when I think about that. I just always, when I think about Bitcoin, I think about that guy and how he was mining Bitcoin. And he probably is, I would love to see where he's at right now and how much Bitcoin he actually ended up either keeping or if he stuck with it. Like, would love to know what his net worth is now, for sure. Guys, let me know, do you have a similar story where you found out about Bitcoin, or you knew about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency way back, and you had an opportunity to get in early and you just didn't pull the trigger? You just didn't pull the trigger. I would love to know. Shout out to all the people that are in the live stream. I really do appreciate it. We got to get the likes up. That would help the channel, boost the channel. We've been streaming for a good 35 minutes now. We're sipping some coffee. Look, guys, we're going to pop back up to 69. We're on the bounce now. We're on the bounce. Look at the bounce. It's happening. If we would have been scared out of the market to close in the negative, would have been bad news. Bad news. So let's see what's happening with the trades now that we're getting that BTC reversal. All right, Doge is looking good. We are coming up to that 420 date, and Doge is going to be doing very well. All right, so Silvio says, I was about to buy in 2013. Couldn't get in because only exchange at the time was Mt. Gox and could not pay with credit card for some reason. I think BTC was around $300. Man, that's amazing. Yeah, there was a lot of people that kind of got swayed away from buying Bitcoin because the moment that they went onto the website, they were like, no. Or you could have bought it with PayPal, probably thought it was a scam, and they were like, no, I don't want to buy it. You know, it happened to a lot of us. I remember watching Joe Rogan in 2011. I think it was 2011, where one of the Bitcoin programmers or Bitcoin developers, and I think he's also a Bitcoin writer for like the Bitcoin magazine or something like that. He was on Joe Rogan talking about Bitcoin and explaining what a Satoshi is and how it's broken down into micro pieces and all that. And I was like, oh yeah, cool. I kind of was like half listening and then went back to, you know, like making music and playing video games and whatnot. So yeah, Wile E. Coyote is saying, don't miss the dips ever. If you have the capital, just set limit orders and wait. My best entries came from flash crashes. Yeah, I was bummed that I didn't have enough dry capital on the side here and margin to be able to get into those lower buy-in prices when we hit that dip. I was like, oh, we're gonna bounce. I know we're gonna bounce, so we can get back in. But what we might do, because we are using this BTC trade to scalp profits, so we might take 25% off of this trade right here and just go into Pepe a little bit more hot, a little bit more margin, and go in a little bit more into Doge, because we do see these levels happening with Doge coming up. We feel it. We feel it, Mr. Krabs. Do you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got into Doge at 18 cents. Yeah, it's great. Yeah, great buy. I mean, great Doge going into 18 cents. I think it even might have went into 17 cents on this crash here. If we look at, let's look at the chart. Yeah, did we go into 17 cents? Oh, we went to 16 cents. Or no, is that the daily? So let's look at the hourly. Okay, yeah, so we actually went, so this was April 5th. So 5 days ago. Oh, yeah, the XYO. Yeah, so let's go back to that XYO post. Yeah, because it's super bullish. Check this out. XYO co-founder Marcus Levine is currently working hard at Paris Blockchain Week, where he caught up with Binance CEO. So check it out. They're talking about listing XYO on Binance, which would be huge. Check it out. So check it out. XYO on Binance. You got to understand this. You got to understand that Binance has the most liquidity and the most volume out of all exchanges still. It is the biggest one. It's the absolute biggest one. So what does that mean for me and you who invest into XYO? It means that, look, we got Coinbase only pushing this 764 million volume. Once it hits Binance, XYO is going to freaking explode. It's gonna freaking explode. It's gonna push the volume. It's gonna push like 2.3 mil volume. This is gonna send this coin back into the 2 cent, 3 cent range where we were coming in to these levels right here. 2 cents. Look at this. 3 cents right here. And then this was major move, 6 cents. And look, we are below 1 cent right now. So we're in massive accumulation mode with this bullish news. They have also this operating system that is going to be, where is it? Yeah, this operating system. Yeah, I've been holding XYO and have known about XYO since 2021. I still use the coin app. I'm actually about to get to 10,000 coin, and I'm going to convert that into XYO and then send it to my wallet. I think the conversion, at these prices right now, it equates to like 15 or 20 bucks or something like that in XYO. So, but I have to sync the Sentinel. But this thing, it's a dashboard for the XYO networks. It's basically their own operating system. So they're building their own operating system essentially, which is super cool. And if you have a third-party dApp or anything that's using the XYO network, then you can have your own application here. So it's super cool. This is on Medium. So yeah, we're super bullish on XYO. It's kind of, yes, definitely I would agree. It's the gold nugget of the portfolio. It's one of those things where we know if we just even had $1,000 in it, even just $1,000, and we hit that all-time high, or even half the movement of the all-time high, that's massive profits. That's massive profits. And then you start doubling down. You're like, let's get a couple grand in this thing. Then that's how you become a crypto millionaire from one of your altcoin gems literally doing a 10, 15, 20x. And then combine that with all the other things that are 10, 5, 10xing in your portfolio, and you're taking profits. And you're also spot buying those things, and you're leverage trading, so you're getting exposure across the board. So we have some things lined up that we're going to try and do on Jupiter with Sol. We said we were going to get one Sol, and then we are going to go into some of these launchpad tokens like Zeus. We're going to pick up some Zeus. Sharky is going to be coming soon. Then we also still have Win is a launchpad token. And we're going to go into one of the memes that has the most volume pushing on Solana. Just whatever has the most volume, we're just going to go into that one. And then we're going to see what happens. So yeah, Shadow, we're going to pick up a little bit of Shadow. That Shadow token. So we just have all this lined up to basically go into DeFi mode with some Solana. And then we're going to start looking at some Ravencoin too. We might start DCAing into Ravencoin on the Trust wallet, because then that is just an easy way we can do it. Keep track of it, set it, and forget it. But yeah, Doge is looking really good. Doge just went right back into the trend. We're just going to push and do a nice little swoop up to 21 cents, 22. We got resistance right here at 21 cents, but then also we could gain some support. We flip that. 23 cents is the target. True target. 420 target. We're looking at 420. Right here is at 26 cents, 30 cents. Right here. Dogecoin to the moon. We love Dogecoin. We love Dogecoin. All right, so yeah. It's a green day, baby. All right. Let's make some more money on Doge, guys. Let's make some more money on Doge. Look, Ton. Telling you, Ton. Dream Tanks TV says Dogecoin will break 23 cents today in Enterprise Discovery. Sky's the limit. Countdown liftoff. Let's go. Yeah, XYO's total supply. Yeah, let's look at XYO's total supply, though. Let's check it out. Let's look it up. Total supply of XYO. Okay, so total supply, 13 billion. 13 billion. So as long as they have some type of burning mechanism, then I think we'll be okay. Because look, I mean, the market cap is very, very low. It's only 132 million. I mean, we got meme coins pushing billion right now. Just meme coins. So this is why I think this thing is just going to do so well when we start coming into the true bull market. Because this was remember, November 2021 was the date. We're going back to those levels. That's altcoin season. You got to think that's altcoin season. We're just a couple months away from altcoin season. Just wait. Build your bags. Stay steady. Don't get scared out of the market. It is all going to be fine. It's all going to be fine. Just have some patience. We're so wishy-washy in crypto. You got to have patience. Sleep, slow growth. Yep. Create strength. Yes. Time in the market beats money in the market. You can just like, you just need a little more time. Just need a little more time. Thank you guys so much. We got the stream almost to 10 likes. If we can get the stream past 10 likes, that would be amazing. You know, we're trying to get more viewers in here. We're trying to build up the channel. I really do appreciate any of you guys who are supporting the channel, who've been here from the start, who've been new. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you so much for being on the channel. And what can I do for you guys? What can I do for you? All right, so remember, get into the Discord. I will say, if you are new, just come into the Discord, hang out. You're gonna get the quick updates, and this is where you're going to. I thought that thumbnail was. I thought people would laugh at that thumbnail. Oh man. But yeah, guys, don't forget, join the BitFlex giveaway. This is to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. And also, whoever wins this t-shirt will also win a ordinal eye. So you also, whoever wins this contest is going to also receive a random ordinal eye from this collection. And then you'll get to show your friends your first cool NFT. Because people are weird on NFTs. You either love them or you hate them. There's like no one who's in between. Or you either don't know anything about them at all, or you are an expert. It's so weird how NFTs are. All right. Let's see what's happening. We got to get more margin in this Dogecoin trade because we are bounced. We are bounced. We might be able to catch some limit orders. We might just set some limit orders. But look, we crossed right here on the 15-minute. But for some reason, I feel like when Bitcoin people are taking profits, they're putting it into Dogecoin and Pepe. I think people know something. Oh, and gosh, and on this morning on the Moon Show, I was so excited that Da Vinci, totally, I'm going to turn the music down, guys. Guys, this morning on the Moon Show, Da Vinci talked about Brett. We've been talking about Brett for the past couple of weeks now. And we know that is going to be the base meme coin. It's going to be the top base meme coin. So I'm just telling you guys now. He even said he has insider information that's good. That it's just gonna be the play. It's just gonna be the meme coin play for base. And then we got right now Brett with hat. Yeah, people that use fiat. Yeah, we call them poor. Yeah, well, like this is so funny. I was telling this kid, this young kid, he was making my sub, and it's so funny. Now I'm like literally preaching the crypto gospel to young kids as they're making my sub. And I'm like, bro, what they teach you is to tell you to save your money, keep it in the bank account. And it's like, they don't teach you to invest. They say, no, risky. That investing is risky. Don't do that. I'm like, what's more risky? Keeping your money in a bank account that could also not let you take it out because the bank could fail. And they could also inflate the monetary system completely to where your dollar's worth nothing. And then it's inflating at almost 100% a year. So craziness. Yeah, I keep telling. I was like, I would get telling the universe, telling God, and a lot of the times you don't want to say what you don't want, but I've just been kind of affirming them. It's like, I will not end up in the breadline with my family coming up in these next couple years. You have to exit yourself out, and you have to have energy and power, and that is money. And and then also with crypto. So you have to be able to hedge against something. But it was just crazy, man. Craziness. Craziness. All right, so look, we got Brett with hat. Brett with hat. That might be actually something worth getting into. We already missed it. You already missed it. So, but we could test up into these levels again. Why not? Usually when you see something like this, mega pump, big dump, and then you might hope to test into something like this. But yeah, guys, if you haven't smashed the like, Wile E. Coyote said, hit the freaking like button. You're getting the sauce right here, guys. Honestly, you're in one of the best crypto live streams in the business, and we don't say that just to be, you know, cocky or anything like that. You know, we're trying to build something here. We're trying to build something. All right, so look, transactions. We got based ping, Brett down here. Brett's still in the top 15, but we want to look at the volume. Let's look at the volume. Degen is still pushing it. Degen is also one of those that we look. It's in this symmetrical triangle due for a breakout. So if you're looking at something like, there's two plays, Degen, Brett. So this is what I've been looking at. You got some nice buy-ins coming in. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what we're looking at. Degen and Brett. So we got Degen. And then we're going to pull up the Brett chart. You got to make sure you're buying the right Brett though, because you're gonna buy the wrong one. Buy the right one. Okay, we got Brett with wrapped ETH on Uniswap. Let's see what has the most volume actually though. Okay, so it's this one. That's the one on Uniswap. That's what I've been using to swap into Brett because that's what has the most volume. And right now the damn thing's pumping. The chart looks disgusting. Oh, is it too loud? Sorry. I heard this banjo going on and I was like, all right, sorry, I have to pump the crap out of this banjo. Is it better now? Is it better? Sorry, usually when people say the music's too loud, I start turning it up louder, but I don't want to do that this time. I don't want to scare people away. But yeah, it should be good now. But yeah, the chart is looking... The chart for Brett is looking... What is this? What is this? This is not Brett. This is not what I picked. No, hold on. It's not what I clicked. Where did it go? That is not what I wanted. There we go. Yeah. All right, so yeah, this thing I think is going to rip. But let's actually go back to that coin that I was just on. What was that coin? What was that? There was a coin. It was like IN. Where was that? What was that? That also looked good too. All right, let's look. This was the grayscale. This was the grayscale trending news with Bitcoin. This might be where we saw a little bit of the dumpage coming from. You know, the news hit, but maybe it, you know, they already did it. April 9th, Grayscale, leading digital asset management firm, made a significant move to transferring 6,200 Bitcoin worth $442 million to Coinbase's Prime deposit address. This transaction, first reported by Arkham, has stirred curiosity, speculation within the cryptocurrency community. So, see what's happening with that. So that could be what pushed the price down a little bit, and then also to give us that bounce. But look, we're bouncing now. We're bouncing, baby. I told you guys we're gonna be pumping into this level, bouncing. Testing this, and then we're going to test in to go back to 70K. We just have to get support on 69.7. Support on 69.7. So good opportunities to get into these trades. So what we're going to do is we are going to do what we said we were going to do. We're just going to do it. We're going to do it here live on the stream. We're going to take some profits on Bitcoin here. We're going to take market, and we are going to take 25%. Is this the right one? Yes. Let's see. 25%. Is this the right one? Yes. This is what we want. All right, we're going to do market at 25%. Let's do 20%. Let's see how much margin. Actually, I want to do this. Sometimes I don't like doing it on the actual platform. A lot of the times I like doing it on my phone because I can see exactly what I'm pulling in profit. I can see exactly what I'm doing, and I'm you know, it's just sometimes the phone is just easier. I can see that 25% of closing this trade is going to give me 109 in margin. So let's do that. All right, so you see it pop up there. We got the margin in. And now we have officially crossed realizing profits on this Bitcoin trade of $2,000. A lot of 2000s happening. So that's amazing. So now that we took the profits on there, we got more margin, and we're going to go into Doge. But what we'll do is we're going to set a stop loss. We're going to set a stop loss on Doge because then we will just make sure that we will not lose money. A lot of the times they are, like, because people know, the developers know that most people are just on the go. They're going to be on their phone. And I honestly, like, I end up making some of my best trades and good plays from my phone, because that's where you're going to get your notifications. That's where you're getting dinged by whale alert. That's where you're getting like watcher.guru saying this happened, and you can go, boom, let's put in a trade. And so that's what we're doing. So we're going to go into our trades here. BTC is bouncing. So why not take this opportunity to get in some limit orders on our trades? And we're just going to do that right now. Get a little bit more into Doge. You see how it's breaking. We're going to get a little bit more. Last price, open long. That order was filled. So now we have our margin up to about almost 100 here in Pepe. It'll increase, but we didn't hit that order. We might, let's see what happens with the Pepe order, because Pepe is already starting to leg up. So we could keep it here for it to kind of scale back, but we also could just move our price up here and just let it smack into that. Get a little bit more margin in. So now we got 83 in Pepe. We're going to set a stop loss at 0, break even on Doge, just in case we see some crazy market reversal. And so now we've remargined up. We have 54 that we can have on the side that we're just going to watch. We're going to watch and see what happens. You can see we're in profit on this particular trade. We are going to test back into these levels, guys. Once we break 69, we're just gonna test back into this range right here. I think easily we're gonna test back into this range. Look, this is the range that we're going to be going back into, because you can see the liquidity wants to come back here. This is where it wants to go back. So let's see what happens. We're going to watch. Just watch, guys. We'll be trading back into this box, no problem. If you were to look at this chart and just reverse the chart or invert the chart, this would it would look like it's going to just kind of just do that same pattern, legging up back into this price box. So let's take advantage of it. Let's take advantage of it. Thank you guys so much for popping into the live stream. Oh, yes, we got 26 people in the live. Let's go. We're live streaming. We got 18 likes. We're breaking records on the Dano Crypto live stream. And just to remind you guys, if you were just coming in, please hit the like button. The more likes we get, the more pumped we get, the more money we make, the more money you make. It's a proven fact that if you hit the like button, your bags pump up just a little bit. and Satoshi gets a gleam in his eye, and Ivan on Tech jumps up and clicks his heels, and Ethereum gas fee goes down a couple dollars. I swear, it's proven. It's a proven scientific fact that that's what happens when you hit the like button. That's what happens. All right, so let's see how many people we have watching across all platforms. We got our one Twitch viewer. We got 7 people in the Twitter, or on X. And it's so hard to not say Twitter. And then we have 24 people watching on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. And make sure you go into the Discord. Make yourselves known in the Discord. And I'm just going to remind you, we are running a contest. We're running a celebrating 200,000 subscribers. I will be saying that one day. I will say that I'm going to celebrate 200,000 subscribers. I will say that. Giveaway for 2,000 subscribers for a BitFlex t-shirt. So if you haven't used BitFlex before, just check out BitFlex. You click on this link, and you can also click on the link on my X page. All you have to do is sign up. It's super easy. It's the quickest to sign up. Put in $100 and trade. And then you will be able to win a 100% Cotton BitFlex t-shirt. And I will be selecting 2 winners because I do have 2 BitFlex t-shirts. And let me just show you guys. I'm going to show you the t-shirt. No one is doing this. Name one channel that's doing a BitFlex 100% cotton, organic cotton, dope matrix looking green BitFlex t-shirt. It's almost like, that's like the matrix green. I love it. And this is one of the most comfortable shirts I actually own. I love this shirt. It's an amazing shirt. But yeah, if you guys want to support crypto, support the channel, definitely do this. This is the second giveaway we're doing. And yes, if you want to join in the Discord, the link is in the description. You have to go to the link in the description. Super easy. Just go here, go into the live. Or you can just go here, and the Discord link is right here. Got my main website link. X link, my music link. All right. And honestly, guys, some of my best performing videos have been about XYO. I don't know what that's what tells me that I think people on the inside, they're bullish on XYO, but you gotta know, you gotta, it's like that little nugget, you know, there's always that coin. There's always that coin. It's like, if, you know, you're talking about this coin, there's something about it. There's something about it. You can tell I'm bullish on XYO. I can't help it, but I'm transparent. Hey, I invest in it. I want them to sponsor the channel. So Damien wins. Good day, Dano. Can you look into... Actually, never mind. That's just going to be the running joke now. I'm like, no, but look, I mean, if you were to have listened to my live stream last night, I did say there was a big chance that we could try and catch liquidity in the lows down here at the bottom of the flag. If you're looking at this chart's amazing. This chart's a beautiful chart. If you look at this chart, I've been kind of marking up this Bitstamp chart, and it has spots where you can clearly see where we were breaking out of flags. Let's see, was it the 45 minute? Or was it the 4 hour? I don't know which one it was. Is it the 4 hour here? I think so. I mean, it really, and it broke down to the exact level. I mean, look, you can see right here, this is exactly where it broke down. It broke down exactly to the, and we had it pre-marked. We were like, look, this is where we have this potential area where we could scoop up the liquidity. So... But yeah, now we're back in. We're remargin back in. I think it's smart to take a little bit of profits off of this Bitcoin trade, because this one is getting exhausted. But we are just going to keep remargining. We're gonna put a little more margin. Actually, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put 4 in right now. Just 4. Literally just 4. So now, or actually, we'll bring the balance up to exactly 20 bucks. So we'll do an extra 3. So now we have 20 margin in here. We have 92, 83, and we're at least, I think once we get to the 50% mark on these trades right here, we'll take 25% off. So we're just going to kind of scalp it, keep it protected. And eventually, once we get to good take profit levels, we'll see the breakout, and then we will be going. But I said, look, it was like we were just gonna scoop up that low, scoop the low, and then see what happens. But it's looking like it's playing out that we will be testing this 69 level. It looks super bullish right now. I would be bullish right now if I were you. So this is the Binance Smart Chain calls that we like to look at. Altura. I think Altura is going to do really well. We hold a tiny little bag of Altura at 5 cents. All-time high was at 46 cents. 46 cents was all-time high. This is a Becker coin. If you're familiar with it, this is a Becker coin, an Alex Becker coin. Base boy. Yeah, Damien busts in. He's like, "Hey guys, I gotta." Oh, never mind. I'll tell you later. Base boy. I want to know, like, what is really, like, let's see. CoinGecko actually had a good. Let's see, let's go to CoinGecko. Go here. We had base memes. Base memes. You want to look at the market cap. So Brett has the highest market cap and also degen as well. I think we might start building a little bit of bag of degen, but we're going to definitely buy more Brett. You got the trending. Here's the trending ones right here. We got Normie, Brett, degen. It's obvious. Brett's going to be the Pepe. Normie is a classic term that we all say in crypto. Look, the normies over here. The normies over here. They don't even know how to send a crypto transaction. They literally, like, they look at you like this and they're like, I have no idea what. What's a send? What? Send a what? So we got to teach them. All right. So the normie, degen, and we're all degens. So I think these are the obvious three plays right here. But if you want to get real dirty red light district kind of stuff, then you you have to go down and look at things like, of course, Buttman. Come on. Really? Really, guys? Come on. Why? Why? Okay, we gotta look at the Twitter account. This is ridiculous. No, of course. The profile may include potential sensitive content. Okay, hold on. This is, oh my god, this is so dumb. I can't. Nope. I'm not putting that up. I can't do it. But what we will say is if you're into AVAX, we don't talk too much about AVAX, but if the meme coin for AVAX is Kakinu. It's Kakinu. That's the one. So let's look at that. Let's actually go back. Let's go back and look at the section here. We'll go to AVAX. Tab will not drop down. There we go. All right, where's AVAX? We don't have it in here. No. Oh, we might have to go to chains. And then we'll go AVAX. Okay, so let's see. See all of the AVAX coins, market cap. These are the low ones here. Let's see if we can find old Kakinu. Oh, Altura on this list for AVAX. For an AVAX ecosystem coin. Let's go up top. Okay. So you'd probably be surprised how much like something like that type of meme coin trying to find the mark. Is it that low? All right, let's just search for it. Let's just search for it. Yeah, the market cap is 238 million on this one. All right, but then let's pull it up. My internet is like, what is happening? Okay. Qcoin. Let's check it on Qcoin. Oh yeah, another pattern that could be looking like a breakout. We've been seeing these everywhere. Consolidation. Pattern for typical like retest breakout levels. Check the RSI. Man. This one's looking juicy. All right, so we're keeping up with the chat. So Richard Lionheart said, "Hey Dano, I'm a new subscriber. Heard you were on Jason Casper's channel a few days ago. Wanted to ask, what's your next take profit for your Pepe trade?" Okay, so next take profit for the Pepe trade. And hey, welcome Richard Lionheart, fellow Casper crew member. Well, look, so we just said, like, look, we know that these coins are going to start kind of ripping up a little bit. And I think my take profit will be at the 50 to 60% of my trade level. So if we were to add a TP on this at, I don't know, like 50%, that would be $41. 60% level would be at the 7408. So that would be, but honestly, oh, really? Oh, whoa, Wily Coyote coming in with the sauce. Said, hold your Pepe. There's a new AI token that rewards you for staking 100K Pepe. So what AI coin are you talking about? Which one? About to search this right now. AI token rewarding with Pepe. How to stake Pepe Sora AI. Is that it? Whoa, we gotta check this out. Is it Sora? It looks like Sora. Yeah, how to stake Pepe Sora AI. How to stake Pepe Sora AI. Pepe Sora earns rewards with ease. Is this it? What is Pepe Sora? Before we get into the specifics, is this it? I don't know if this is it. But this is on Medium. Pepe rewards with AI token. Base die brain. Okay. Oh, Pepe coin. Oh, Pepe coin. Yeah, see, we're talking about this Pepe. We're talking about this Pepe that I'm trading right now is the other Pepe. It's the Pepe that came out last year. But yeah, the Pepe coin to earn base. Okay, to earn based AI. Okay. So let's look. Okay, so let's look. Based AI. Yeah, we'll look this up. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some more research. I have not got into the Pepe coin. We've just been sticking with the one that has the most volume, because if we were to look at Pepe Coin, let's actually look at Pepe Coin on the charts here. Let's look at Pepe Coin. But what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for popping in the live stream. We've been live streaming for a little longer than we were expecting. But hey, these 11:30 live streams, sometimes they go a little longer. We're smashing the likes. Thank you guys so much. How many likes do we have? We just smashed 20 likes. Thank you so much for all the viewers on the channel. We have been crushing the numbers right now. If we looked at our metrics, it would look like a bullish meme coin chart. All right, so let's look at Pepe Coin. Pepe Coin. On let's see, it's probably been traded on BitGet probably for the longest time, because we have to go back to no. What chart would we want to look at Pepe Coin on? Oh, Pepe Coin on Uniswap maybe. I don't know. I mean, we see. Yes, Pepe Coin is moving. It's moving. It's having an active Twitter, but I'm telling you guys, like, this is the Pepe you need to be trading. You can kind of hedge trade and say, okay, yeah, I'll trade both. I'll spot buy Pepe Coin and Pepe. But look, I mean, you just look at Binance, and you can see, like, we're about to break into another pennant and go and start crushing this level again at the top of the band. 63% move. You're gonna see another 63% move leg up on Pepe. Just wait. I mean, you could say maybe on Pepe Coin there could be a leg up with that too, but I would just say hedge your bets, do both. There will be PPing. There will be PPing all over the place. But I'm telling you guys, like, Pepe, Brett, these are the picks. It's easy. We're telling you here on this channel. It's Pepe, it's Brett, it's Dogecoin, and Toncoin. Nakamoto Games. We're going to look at the portfolio actually right now. Let's check the portfolio. Let's look at the portfolio. We'll look at the 3,000. It's down a little bit, obviously, because we had some retracements. But overall, in this portfolio, the things that are outperforming everything in terms of the past 7 days is XYO, Bitcoin, Pepe, Kronos, Phantom. Medieval Empires has been doing amazing. If you were able to catch some profits on Medieval Empires, where it just crossed that 3-cent range, there's definitely some more room to grow. And we also have Near Protocol, Nakamoto Games, Thorchain, Stacks, Chainlink, Matic, Radium. I don't know, but Radium has been kind of not doing as well. I think people are starting to reallocate and use Jupiter more. So now we got Jupiter and Orca being the thanks guys for pumping the channel for me. You guys are the best. Starting to feel like I got the best chat, got the best community in the world. All right, Metis. We have some Metis. Metis is at a great buy zone right now. We're sitting at $90, 89, $90. All-time high Metis was 300, 350. Could be pushing $800 per Metis when we start getting true moves on Ethereum. Same with Optimism and Arbitrum. You want to watch Optimism and Arbitrum. Remember, Coinbase is using Arbitrum. Oh yeah, BTC is definitely liquidating shorts right now. People were shorting hard because they were like, it's gonna go lower. It's gonna go to 66. It's gonna go to 63. But now they're getting wrecked. Dogecoin and Orca. So here's the portfolio. If you wanted to follow a simple portfolio that has exposure just about everything, here it is. Dogecoin, Orca, Arbitrum, and I'll just explain each one as I go through really quick like a blast. Dogecoin, father of all meme coins. Orca, it's a swap on Solana. It pushes amazing volume. Arbitrum and Optimism are layer 2s on Ethereum. Stargate Finance is a bridge staking pooled platform where you can earn yield. This is on every single chain, like Metis that we talked about. Metis is a layer 2. And then we got Solana. Solana is its own chain that has that uses things like Orca as dexes. Then you have Radium, which is a DEX token as well. Then we got Polygon, which is a layer 2 for Ethereum. And then Chainlink is a Ethereum smart contract, but is also an oracle for providing price data and all kinds of crap in the market. Then we got Stacks, is a Bitcoin layer 2 solution, and you can inscribe with Stacks. You can do all kinds of layer 2 DeFi stuff with Bitcoin with Stacks. And then you have Thor, which is also a type of layer with Bitcoin that uses a lot of mechanisms with Bitcoin, but you can also hold Ruin. Then you have Nakamoto Games, which is its own gaming launch platform that has their own AAA games and their own token and dashboard, which you can also play inside of the Telegram app and also in the browser and on your phone. Then you got Near Protocol, which is its own chain, has a .address naming service that is completely different than some blockchains, to where that's how you sign in to do DeFi, and it's almost kind of like a social network. Then you got Me Token, which is a crypto game, has its own token. You can use the Me Token to stake to get rewards inside the Medieval Empires game. Then you have Phantom. Phantom is a layer 2 of Ethereum, acts just like Polygon, similar ecosystem, similar price movement of Polygon, and also with Cardano. And then you have XYO. We talked about XYO. It is a geodata mining protocol that is an Ethereum contract, but they also have their own programming language, and they build and combine with programming languages to provide geo data. And then we got Crow, which is its own chain linked with crypto.com that is also is stakeable. You can earn things by holding the Crow on crypto.com with the crypto.com card. Then we have Pepe, which was the leading meme coin charge for last year's crazy crypto Twitter, DeFi phase. And this thing spurred an excitement in the market to really get the meme coins going, because the market was getting really boring, and then Pepe came along and it just blasted it off. And then we obviously have Bitcoin. So there you go, guys. That was a blast through all these projects to give you a little bit of a tip on how you can just by DCAing into these things over the next year or two, these things are going to absolutely run. So even if you just got $3K right now in the market, just $3K, $3,000, you could allocate and split $3K between all these projects. Now, I would recommend having most of that $3,000, like at least $1,000 in Bitcoin, and then start taking that rest of the 2,000 and then splitting it down the line, because that's essentially what I did with this one with about 4,000, and then this is what it turned into in about just 3 months. So pretty substantial. So this is just showing you the what can happen when you start DCAing. Really, really juicy. Really, really juicy. And then you combine that with the leverage trading and doing multiple strategies at the same time, and then that's where you are protecting yourself from that damn dollar and that bank account basically going to zero. Because, tell you what, your crypto account's not going to be going to zero. Just depends. But we know we're on an uptrend, guys. We're on an uptrend. But thank you guys so much for listening to that spiel. And we're just going to check and see how many people we got still in the live stream. Man, we're just pumping numbers right now. Thank you guys so much. We got 35 people watching on YouTube. We had 20 likes. If you have popped in and you're new, just make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. It helps. We say, look, if you hit the like button, if you're on the TV, there's a cheat code. It's called the Dano Crypto cheat code. You go up, up, right, right, select, or up, up, right, 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 select. It basically uppercuts the like button like Mortal Kombat style, and it goes, and you just like splash, just bust through the ceiling, and it gets the likes and your crypto bags pumping. So really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Mantra. No, I haven't looked at Mantra. So there's Manta, Mantra, there's all the, there's a lot of projects to go into, but I'm just trying to keep it simple. I'm really trying to keep it simple, guys. I think that's what we can do here. Yeah, I grew up playing Mortal Kombat, so I need to have a key in of that guy when we have a trade or something funny. Literally, just have that guy go, whoop, you know. Just we love that guy. That brings back memories. But yeah, I would just say, guys, just keep it simple. Know your narratives, know your niches. Like, what are you interested in? Because then you're gonna do more research into that thing, into that token. So like, I'm into gaming, and I really like the aspect of the staking reward yield kind of deal, and being able to do DeFi. I love being able to swap. I love having the power to be able to go in and out of tokens, and they all have different values. Learning about volume and liquidity with DEXs, and learning that, look, this is where you're going to be able to actually cash out of the market, where you have more volume. These are the things that are what you need to learn. So I'll just keep it simple. So, but some people like to just have a bunch of different coins and just kind of just speculate and just kind of just do all this stuff. And it's like, I think that can work, but I think if you just narrow it down, like just narrow it down a little bit, just start to say, okay, let's take it seriously. Let's not just like to keep just throwing $50 here, $25 here. Let's actually build a portfolio. Let's say, okay, you see how I was able to explain every single coin here without having to click on it and look it up. I know about these coins. I know about these niches. I know what is going to happen with these coins because I've researched them. So that's just an easy thing that you can do. Build your portfolio, build the projects that you want to invest in, and you will be able to be successful. You're going to see this market is going to be the best hedge against that inflation. 100%. Yeah, up, down, left, right, BA, select, start, best video game cheat. Yeah. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right, BA, select, start. Psh. Yeah, we're going to actually... So, guys, I wanted to remind you. So, we will be doing some live community gaming on Nakamoto Games, because essentially we need to help them. We need to help them right now because they have this AAA game that's launched, and then the only way that I'm able to play it is if people get online. So if you need to get online to help me play this game, I really want to test it out. It's Galactic Grail. We need some more people in here. So check it out. Get in here. So this is Nakamoto Games. Go to nakamoto.games, sign up, and get into this game right now so we can start testing it. I want to test it. So the servers right now are kind of I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they're just like having a hard time getting the servers locked in, but really wanting to test this thing out. So if you guys are already affiliate, like if you already know how to get into Nakamoto Games, meet me in this room right now so then I can see if you pop up. Yes, finally. All right, awesome. We're getting closer. Oh, man, it looked like we were getting into a game. Okay, let's see if we can... Because this time we got a little further. We were at least able to see the playing cards. We were at least able to see the deck or see the map. Yeah, we really want to test this thing out, so we got to get some more players in this thing. We'll keep testing it. But what we're going to do, guys, later today, at night, we are going to do a custom live stream where we're just going to test out a bunch of different crypto games. I think it's going to be really cool. So if you want to tune into that, join me at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are going to be testing out all the games, like as many games as we can on Nakamoto Games. We're going to test out some on Vulcan Forge. That's another platform that we're pretty bullish on, is Vulcan Forge. It's got a really cool ecosystem in there with its own chain, its own ecosystem built into it, NFTs. Then we have Game Swift. That's another one we're going to test out. And then we're going to test out Medieval Empires so you guys can see that. We're just going to get into a lot of different crypto gaming stuff. So I hope you guys are ready for that stream. And thank you for all the people that have been in the stream from the start and all the people that popped in, giving the likes and commenting and interacting with the stream. I do appreciate it. And yeah, so I will see you guys. I will see you guys at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's where we're going to be testing out these video games and testing out things so you can get an idea of what you want to invest in and what you want to actually play. Because some of these... All right, so yeah, we could get 2 more likes. You know, we could actually, if we could get this live stream to 30 likes before we end it, that would be absolutely amazing. And while we're getting those likes up, while we're getting the stream to 30 likes, we're gonna check on the charts. Look, we're up 10% on this BTC long. We're getting back into that purple range. We're gonna trade up into that purple range, guys. Just wait. We're gonna trade up into that purple range. We're gonna get some nice movements going back up into that range, mimicking this chart on the reverse. And then you can see here, we're already doing well on the Doge trade, getting that remargin back in. And then we might use this we're going to use this 47 bucks to just DCA more into Brett. We might do that. We might actually do that. We're going to do it. All right, okay, so by this time, we should be at 30 likes. We should be at 30 likes. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. Yes, some Italian dinner. Yes, amazing. Yeah. Yeah, I need to eat some food. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Thank you so much. We got to get it to 30. We got to get to 30. We're pumping the breakout. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Thank you so much. Remember, pop into the Discord. Let yourselves be known. Read the welcome and rules. Check out the BitFlex giveaway. You can do a shill zone here. 10 million market cap or over. Has to be 10 million or more. Has to be 10 million or more. Remember, always go to the website. This is where you're going to get first immediate new information from me is from my website. All right. Did we get to 30? Did we get to 30 likes? We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. Oh, man. Okay. No worries. You know what, though? What's cool about YouTube is that this thing's recorded. People will watch it again. People will watch it again. And by the time we end this, we will have 30 likes. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, I will see you guys, gals, aliens, and DGen freaks at 8 p.m. for the video game crypto gaming live stream. So I hope you guys are ready. Bring your drinks, bring your food, bring your snacks, bring your kids. We're going to be hanging out. It's going to be fun. And I will see you guys at that time. Peace out.